AI is one of the biggest investment trends of this decade, but here's the problem. Most popular AI stocks like Nvidia are already expensive, so what if you don't have thousands to invest? In this video, I'll break down beginner-friendly AI stocks under $50 that offer exposure to artificial intelligence without needing a big portfolio. Let's get into it. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. Stock prices change daily. Always check the current price before buying. Before we jump in, here's what we're looking for: real involvement in AI, revenue growth, strong financial position, beginner-friendly price. Under $50 doesn't mean cheap company. It just means lower share price, which makes it more accessible for small investors. Why it's interesting: government and enterprise AI contracts, data analytics plus machine learning platforms. Strong AI branding in real-world applications. Palantir focuses on helping organizations use data to make smarter decisions. For beginners, it offers high growth potential, clear AI narrative, volatility, but also upside. Best for investors comfortable with some risk. Yes, the ticker symbol is literally AI. C3.ai builds enterprise AI software for industries like energy, defense, and manufacturing. Why it stands out: pure play AI company. Focused business model, positioned in enterprise AI market. Downside: revenue growth can be inconsistent. Best for investors who want a focused AI bet. This is a smaller cap AI company. They focus on voice AI, conversational technology, automotive integrations. Think voice assistants and in-car AI systems. Higher risk, higher potential reward. Best for aggressive beginners with small allocations. UBAF focuses on automation using AI-powered robotic process automation (RPA). Companies use it to automate repetitive tasks, reduce labor costs, improve efficiency. Why beginners like it: established global client base, strong AI plus automation narrative. This is more of a productivity AI play. If picking individual stocks feels risky, consider an AI-focused ETF like Global X Artificial Intelligence and Technology ETF AIQ. Why ETFs are beginner-friendly: diversification, lower company-specific risk, exposure to multiple AI companies. Sometimes boring is smarter. Let's be real. AI hype creates volatility. Many AI stocks are unprofitable. Market corrections hit growth stocks hardest. Just because it's under $50 does not mean it's undervalued. Focus on long-term investing. Diversification, position sizing, instead of going all-in. Example approach: 70% broad index fund, 20% large tech, 10% AI growth stocks. That way you participate in upside without risking everything. AI is transforming industries. You don't need thousands to get started. Start small. Stay consistent. Think long-term. If you want more beginner-friendly investing breakdowns, subscribe and comment. Which AI stock are you researching first?